In this video, I'm going to show you how to search sellers on DHgate. So the first thing you want to do, of course, you want to go to DHgate and then sign into your account. And then in here, you can just search different sellers up here in the search box. So in case you actually know the name of a seller, just type it in here and then you'll be able to see all the products of that specific seller. So for example, over here, one of the sellers I was looking at earlier is Shoe Teak over here. So if I type that in here, I just typed it in, so I can just click over here. As you can see, it's gonna show me a bunch of different things from this specific seller over here. So as you can see, these are all from the specific seller I just searched over here. And of course, if you want to look at their store, you can just click on that. And of course, by clicking on their store name over here, you'll be able to see their store, the feedbacks they have, the transactions, etc. And you can see all the things they have over here. You can even sort by categories, etc. over here. Now, besides that, of course, if you'd like to find new sellers, you can simply just look for whatever you're looking for. So for example, I'm just gonna go for shoes right now. And let's say, there we go, there's some results right now. And let's say I like these shoes over here. As you can see, the seller is listed down here. And it's Fail Shoes over here, or Feel, whatever that's pronounced. So you can just click on that and it's gonna again open their store inside DHgate. Or you can just basically type that in here up top and then it will find their store. So Fail Shoes, there we go. And then I type in enter, there we go. And in a second, it's going to open up all the different things from this seller over here, okay? So, of course, if it exists, it will do exactly that. But if they only have one product, of course, that won't be possible. So, that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.